Breaking inputs coming in. We're given to understand that IMA president is set to meet the Union Health Minister JP Nadda at around 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. Akanksha is getting us more details on that. Yes, Akanksha.
Well, absolutely. Union Health Minister, central government has taken note of this situation. In just another 1.5 hours, IMA President and also the Secretary are going to meet the Union Health Minister, JP Nadda. They're going to put forth their demands, and the prime demand remains is security of doctors, and most importantly, the central law. That central law should in fact be enacted for the safety of lawyers. Hospitals should be made safe zones, and also a decent investigation in this case. This is what the IMA President told Times. Now, other than that, the IMA team is going to leave for West Bengal at 9 o'clock today. They will be reaching West Bengal, and tomorrow they will be visiting the RG Kar hospital, and they will meet the authorities, the students who are protesting there, and also speak with the state IMA chief there as well as to whether or not they should be raising a demand for a CBI probe. The IMA president has told Times Now that he's also going to meet Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee as far as this entire case is concerned. Remember, 2 days back, IMA had given an ultimatum to the central and state government saying that they have given them 48 hours to take action. After that, they will be launching a nationwide protest, but it remains to be seen whether that will happen, because all the
a nationwide protest is underway at the moment as we speak. Akanksha, stay on with us. Mohit is joining us from outside the RML hospital. Just one demand: justice in this case and save the saviors across hospitals. Secure and safe environment for all the doctors across hospitals. That's what the protesters are demanding, Mohit.
Well, yes, in fact, Swati, you see the doctors are sitting over here. They have been protesting from past 2 days, and they basically say that it's not just about this case, it's about the security and the safety of doctors. And we know for a fact that how, and you can see as they are standing up, and they might be planning for a march over. So the doctors in protest are marching towards the OPD, and you can see that how they have gotten up. Let's talk to a few of the people over here. क्या प्लान है सर अभी आपका? आप लोग मार्च कर रहे हैं, सीबीआई जांच की मांग हो रही है, पोस्टमार्टम की जो डिटेल्स आई है बहुत ही ज्यादा हॉरिफिक हैं, क्या कहेंगे
सर? इतने हॉरिफिक कांड के बाद अभी तक सरकार में अगर थोड़ी सी भी जान होती, उन्हें थोड़ा सी सांत्वना होती पेशेंट का, तो सीबीआई रिपोर्ट के लिए ममता बनर्जी जी कर देती, लेकिन अभी तक उनकी तरफ से कुछ नहीं आया है। इसलिए सर हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है कि जल्दी से जल्दी सीबीआई को ये जांच सौंप दी जाए, ताकि जिस भी हमारी जो बहन के साथ ऐसा हुआ है, कल किसी और बहन के साथ ऐसा ना हो। इसके लिए सर हम चाहते हैं कि सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जल्दी से जल्दी लागू किया जाए, ताकि डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटल के अंदर सेफ फील करें।
सर इतने सारे प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं, आप लोग सड़कों पर बैठे हम देख रहे हैं। आई आस्क्ड बाय कैमरा पर्सन टू शो दीस विजुअल्स कि सबकी एक ही मांग है, काम पे आपको भी वापस जाना है, लेकिन सबकी एक मांग है कि सीबीआई जांच जल्द से जल्द की जाए। और महिलाएं भी हैं यहाँ पे, वो भी सेफ्टी को लेकर काफी कंसर्न है, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से अभी, वेस्ट बंगाल सरकार की तरफ से अभी कुछ नहीं किया जा रहा है। डॉक्टर थे जो प्रिंसिपल थे उस कॉलेज के, उनको दूसरे कॉलेज में ट्रांसफर कर दिया जाता है, वहां भी उनके खिलाफ जो है मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
सर ये तो बस लोगों को थोड़ा गुमराह करने का तरीका है कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेज देना। अगर किसी भी महिला डॉक्टर के साथ डीडीआर में घुस के ऐसा दुर्कांड हुआ है, इसका मतलब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की कहीं ना कहीं कमी रही है। इस कमी पे प्रिंसिपल को खुद रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी उनका ट्रांसफर हुआ।
Absolutely, and that point was picked up by the High Court as well, when the High Court questioned why this new post for this individual who should have been questioned, send him on extended leave. Mohit, stay on with us. We have Tetri and Somit as well. Before I go across to them and take live reports and reactions, let me go back to Dr. Trupti. Dr. Trupti, like you said, now of course we are coming across all these reports suggesting this individual is a habitual offender, and that there are other allegations against him. But the big question is, he was part of the police welfare board. Was no background check done? A very simple procedure?
I agree with you completely. You know, anyone who is really placed in the police or their alliance, there needs to be a background check. In fact, these are things that should be in a national level guideline or regulation. Whenever they are, evaluating hospitals and giving hospitals and the medical colleges the license to run, this should be in the national level guideline. There needs to be a dedicated women-led task force at every hospital. They know, every hospital knows where the loopholes are, where is the safety issue. It cannot be the same for every hospital. So, just talking about the principal being moved from one place to the other, it's not such a local issue. It's a national issue. It's not that this only happened at that hospital. These SOPs, these guidelines only run on paper. There are no gender-sensitive grievance redressal systems. This is all on paper. We act once a crime is done. We do not do anything to prevent such a crime. And while we all protest for the justice of this victim, I think we also need to protest to put systems in place so that these things don't get repeated in future. We can't have dharnas every time a crime happens. Then where we really prevent such things from happening.
Absolutely. Doctor, please stay on with us. Amidst the developments at the High Court, the protest taking place and the investigation, there are some questions that have been left unanswered. Let's take a look at that. Why was the victim's family first informed that it's a suicide? Who arrived at that conclusion? Where is the CCTV footage of seminar hall of RG Kar Hospital where the crime took place? Was CCTV of the seminar hall not functioning on the day of the crime? Is it true or not that rapist Sanjay Roy has history of violence? Why was a man with criminal antecedents given access to the hospital? How was he part of the police welfare board? How did the rapist Roy manage to get transferred to Kolkata police welfare cell despite reports of allegations against him? Was rapist Roy living on the premises of Kolkata Police's 4th Battalion? Something that the cops need to answer now. Did a high-ranking police official try to bribe the victim's family? Viral clip claims role of politically influential person in crime. Is it true? And if yes, who is this individual? What role did the individual play? Did rapist Sanjay Roy have close links with top officials of the college? Is this true as well? 24 hours after resignation, Sandeep Ghosh placed in another college. Why? This question has been asked by the High Court as well. Are more than one savages involved in rape and murder of 31-year-old? Are there more individuals who are involved? Let me go across to our reporter Soumit and Tetri are with us on the broadcast. Tetri, multiple questions that have been left unanswered. The High Court also today came down heavily asking those pointed, pertinent questions. Meanwhile, the protest continues. And a very simple demand of these doctors: provide us a safe and secure environment, a secure workplace.
Well, yes, I'm at Safdarjung Hospital and doctors were sitting at protest, and in fact there were hundreds of doctors who gathered over here just few minutes back, and in fact they have just left a couple of minutes back, and now they are all winding up because they have taken a short break, and then they will be again starting their protest just in front of the resident doctors hostel. But yes, their demands were very simple. They wanted that security deployment should be increased. They wanted that CCTV should be installed at each and every place. They wanted that marshals should be deployed, and in fact the female security should also be enhanced. Apart from that, the justice should be done to the justice should be done to the West Bengal victim. So, and also in fact they said that a committee should be formed for the act that they have been demanding to the center government. They are agreeing to the fact that it will take some amount of time, but they agree to it. But they want some kind of assurance from the government that yes, the resident doctors, say it be male, say it be female, but especially female, who are staying over here at the hospital, either in Safdarjung, AIIMS.
Absolutely. The demand is justice in this case and ensure a safe environment for us. That's what the resident doctors are asking. Soumit is getting us more details. Soumit, what is happening from where you're reporting?
Vishwati, we can clearly see here, even yesterday, hundreds of doctors have gathered, and basically, this, healthcare worker, this is not the first time we are reporting about any healthcare worker, any doctor being subjected to very brutal incident, that is, rape or murder. In Delhi, we have saw in 2012 how a healthcare worker, a doctor, was brutally raped and then murdered. And even in the Hyderabad city, recently, we have reported where Disha case, even the Disha Act was brought, where she was brutalized, she was, raped, murdered and burnt alive. And later government has responded. This is not the first case, like I said, and even in this case, the victim who was on the duty, the trainee doctor was on the duty at the RG Kar Hospital, and she was brutalized, she was raped and murdered. And this is not the first incident. And the healthcare workers have been demanding justice, security since 2012 and even before that. So at several hospitals we can say that the heads of the medical department or the DPH or the DME, they failed to provide secured environment to the doctors. So even doctors here are demanding justice to the victim. At the same time, time, they're also, demanding secure environment to the healthcare.
Absolutely, Soumit. You said this is not the first case, but this exactly is the demand. Take actions, concrete measures so that this becomes the last case and no one else has to go through this. Thank you to our reporters for getting us the updates. Thank you to Dr. Trupti as well. With that, we're slipping into a short break.